is snowing! What the fuck? I can't see. It's cold as balls. And I don't know how far I'm gonna have to go to get somewhere. It sucks! It's snowing! And now my hands are frozen. Cannot see. This is a situation. Item number 1. Find the sick gloves. Item number 2. Where's the sick gloves, man? Oh. Okay, here's the sick gloves. I think they might be waterproof. Holy shit. I don't mind anything except not being able to see is kind of bumming me out. You know what I mean? Seeing is kind of a vital piece of the puzzle here when you're riding a motorcycle. It's freaking snowing. Oh, please be waterproof. Come on, just be waterproof. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. And it's freaking snowing in the desert. I didn't see that coming. Holy shit. I just wanted to see this. Oh. See that? Oh my lord. I did not see this coming. It's getting better. It's getting better. Look at it back there, man. Holy freezing cold. Oh. Oh. I want my mommy and a nice cup of hot chocolate. And I want these dickhead trees to leave me alone. Hurry home! That was plenty messed up. I did not see that coming. And I'm gonna get something hot to drink here and regroup because that was messed up. Whew. Also, guess what's messing up now? The media mod, of course. In the rain for 30 seconds. And it's not acting right. Once you try to get it out, take a piss with 50 layers on. I don't want to see that, actually. Never mind. Get smart. Door number 1. Door number 2. Door number 3. I think this place is famous for the water cloth urinal. Well, my mommy's not here, but I got me some hot cocoa, and I'm excited about it. Alright, I've been taking a look at my options, and I can go straight. There's a road that just goes straight across the highway and down, and I don't know if you can see those snow-covered mountains out there. I think it goes through there. And I looked at on Gaia, you can tap, and it'll tell you the temperature, and it's 36 up there. And I don't think I'm doing that. So I think I'm gonna take an alternate route. I'm gonna get on 15 headed to Baker and then split off north in Baker to Shoshone. Because I can't handle 36. Plus there's some clouds up there. And I don't want to know what those clouds mean. That's the plan. I'm there in SEMA, and the road I wanted to take goes like that. But instead, I'm going to take 15 down here somewhere, and then head north to Shoshone. And then tomorrow, and then the next day, I think I go down there. There's no snow up there. Oh, what do I do? Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Does it go through those mountains? Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, my gloves aren't... They're not touch sensitive or whatever. Is that the road out there? If that's it, it's not too late to turn around. If the road goes across that basin, it'd be okay, right? Oh, I'm turning around. I'm turning around. I'm turning around. That's all there is to it. Oh. Why am I like this? Why? Okay. Wait, this isn't even... No, this doesn't even go where I want to go. I don't know what I'm thinking. No, I can't do that. It doesn't even go where I'm going. Okay, the decision that was already made has been made again. I'm taking the highway. I don't want to, but that's what's happening. Jesus. Inefficient efficiency. I need help. I'll tell you what though. Up there and all that mess, my feet were cold, my hands were cold, and my face was freezing because I had to crack the shield to keep it from fogging, even though I couldn't see out of it anyway, but the fog definitely made it better. Made it better. Made it worse. Oh, that was just misery. It was just the danger of not being able to see. But I was surprisingly not freezing. And these gloves are pretty warm. My wife told me to get heated gloves before I left, and I thought about it, and I mean, you should always listen to your wife. Unless your wife's stupid, then don't listen to her. But my wife usually tells me the right thing to do. And sometimes Sometimes I will have decided to do something and then she tells me to do it and then I don't do it. What kind of personality flaw is that? Seriously. Look at all that mess I went through. Oh my God. I mean, I knew it looked ominous, but I thought it was just going to be some rain. I was not expecting the snow. Crazy. Crazy, I tell you. I don't know if my hands are going to make it on the highway, though. They're already getting a little... you know. Okay, I'm going to Baker. That's where I'm going. I do not dig the highway, man. Alright, let's get some cruise control going. I think maybe for this type of riding, I should have taken off the visor on the helmet. I like it because it keeps the sun out of your eyes sometimes. But the wind situation on it is not good. Especially with this windshield that was specifically designed to throw wind directly in your face. I mean, they test these things, right? Maybe they don't have access to a wind tunnel or whatever, but doesn't someone from the factory get on a bike and try it? Oh, I just remembered some job that I was working on, and we had the crew stay in Baker, and I think we had to split between a couple of different hotels because it was a big crew. It was like 65 people, and I remember production stayed at the Royal, what was it called? The Royal Hawiian. It was quite a place. I forget where everybody else stayed. Why do I remember the Royal Hawiian? And why is there a Royal Hawiian in Baker, California? All valid questions. Alright, this is going to be boring. I'll talk to you in Baker. Made it to Baker. And for some reason I want to go see the Royal Hawiian. Couldn't tell you why. There's the world's tallest thermometer, supposedly. What was it saying, like 40 something? It's definitely feeling good down here. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. Royal Hawiian. Oh shit. It doesn't look very open. Wow. It's toast. It's toast. Arnie's Royal Hawiian. Now at the Salton Sea. Damn. It was super shitty when we stayed here. It's even more shitty now. Man. Trashed. Not sure driving through here is a great idea. But wow, what a mess. Look at that big nail right there. Get out of here. Man. Oh, the memories. Gotta send Ursula a screen grab of that. Okay, let's go to Shoshone.
In the next episode, what amazing things will Past Ange discover? Tune in next week to find out. Hey, please like this video if you liked this video, and if you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button and the alert bell. Also, if you're interested, there are links to gear lists and goofy t-shirts in the description. Thanks a ton for watching.